Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we read about different kinds of adjectives, placement and order of adjectives. In this video, we will learn degrees of comparison of adjective. We will also learn some rules of writing comparative and superlative degree. So let's start. Adjective of quality describes the quality of a noun with respect to its size, shape, color, state, condition, etc. They answer the question, what kind of? For example, this is a dense forest. What kind of forest? Dense forest. Your necklace is pretty. What kind of necklace? Pretty necklace. Here, dense and pretty are adjective of quality. Adjective of quality changes its forms when used to compare one noun, that means person, place or thing, with another. This is called degree of comparison of an adjective. Hence, degree of comparison applies on adjective of quality. There are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is used to refer to only one noun without making any comparison. For example, this is a pretty flower. The box is heavy. Comparative degree is used to compare two things, and it is a greater degree of adjective as compared to positive degree. For example, this white flower is prettier than that red one. There are two flowers, white and red, and they are being compared, which is prettier. The iron box is quite heavier than the wooden box. Here also there are two boxes and they are being compared. Hence, comparative degree is used to compare two things. Superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. It is the greatest degree of adjective. For example, rose is the prettiest flower in the garden. In the garden, there are many flowers, and out of those flowers, rose is the prettiest one. This is the heaviest box in the room. Similarly, in a room, there are many boxes, and we point to a box and we say that this is the heaviest box. Hence, superlative degree is used to compare more than two things. We use then with a comparative degree and the with a superlative degree. For example, your house is bigger than my house. The research is more useful than documentation for this project. In both the cases, comparative degrees are followed by the word then. Examples of superlative degrees. This is the biggest house in the locality. Research is the most useful activity for this project. In both the cases, superlative degrees, biggest and most useful, are preceded by the word the. Now let's see some rules of writing comparative and superlative degrees. First rule, we add er and est to the comparative and superlative degrees respectively to one syllable words ending in consonants. One syllable words are very short words in which we do not take any pause or break while pronouncing the word. For example, tall, comparative degree will be taller, and superlative degree will be tallest. Superlative degree is always preceded by the, so we can also say the tallest. Cold, colder, the coldest. Cheap, cheaper, the cheapest. Next rule, when the positive degree ends in E, we add only R and ST to the comparative and superlative degree respectively. To the comparative degree, we add only R, and to the superlative degree, we add only ST. Examples, nice, nicer, nicest. We have only added R to the comparative degree and ST to the superlative degree. Similarly, wise, wiser, the wisest. Large, larger, the largest. Next rule, when the positive degree ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER in the comparative degree and IEST in the superlative degree. For example, heavy. In this word, there is Y in the end and there is V before Y, which is consonant. Hence, in the comparative degree, we will drop Y from heavy and Y will be replaced by IER. So it becomes heavier. And in the superlative degree, we will drop Y and we will add IEST. Hence, the superlative degree will be the heaviest. Similarly, busy, busier, the busiest. Cozy, cozier, the coziest. Next, when the positive is a one-syllable word ending in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and add ER to the comparative degree and EST to the superlative degree. For example, red is a small word ending with consonant D, and before D there is vowel E. Hence, in the comparative degree, we will double the consonant D and we will add er to the comparative degree, so it will become redder. And in the superlative degree, again we will double the consonant d and we will add est to the superlative degree. Hence the superlative degree will become the reddest. So red, redder, the reddest. Similarly, big, bigger, the biggest. Sad, sadder, the saddest. Next rule. When the positive is a word of 2 or more syllables, we add more to the comparative degree and most to the superlative degree. That means when the word is big with many breaks and pauses. For example, beautiful. There are 3 syllables. So comparative degree will be more beautiful. Superlative degree will be the most beautiful. Similarly, important. Important. Comparative degree more important. Superlative the most important. Dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous. Next rule. Some adjectives do not form comparative and superlative degree by adding suffix or prefix to their positive forms. They are called irregular adjectives. And there are very few such adjectives which completely change in spelling and pronunciation, and we do not add any prefix or suffix to them. For example, few are listed here like good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst, little, less, the least, much, more, the most. You have to remember these words. Last, there are a few adjectives like elder, senior, junior, superior, inferior, which are accompanied by to in place of then in their comparative form. For example, I am elder to her. We will not write I am elder than her. Instead, we will write I am elder to her. Similarly, Rekha is junior to Riya. So in these words, we use to in place of then. These were some of the rules of writing comparative and superlative degree. I hope you have understood all about adjective from the previous video and this video as well. To watch the previous video, the link is given in the description box. You can go there. Thank you for listening to the video, students. Bye-bye. Take care.